How to buy morning routine token. So this token came under the symbol of routine. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 day ago and increased by 12,000% in the last 24 hours. This trending number one trending in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it is a simple. Copy the token address from here and open your Phantom wallet for that. Now as you can see here, just log into your wallet first. Now click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now click on I understand. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive next to that token. So after that, if you want to select the provider, click on the pricing. Now click on the provider and select the Jupiter, for example, and click on apply. Now go back, make sure to read all that information here and click on stop, and you will be able to add actually the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy routine token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.